interview, focused interview, non-directive interview, telephonic interview. That's all. I'll repeat, note it down, the different types or techniques of conducting interviews. Direct interview. Under that, we have the structured interview, unstructured interview, focused interview, non-directive interview, and telephonic interview. Okay. Any guesses what would be direct interview?
Ma'am, direct interview is nothing but ma'am, like we have like interviews from normal interviews. It's like when a person comes and sit to and the question, like the judge or some people, say for example, if it's the company, the HR group managers or the persons from the HR will have a meeting room and the persons will be asked questions, ma'am.
Okay, that's it. So that is a direct interview where you have a face-to-face contact between two persons and they take up the interview accordingly. Correct. Now next one, what is structured interview? Yesterday we did with structured and unstructured. Wait, what is structured interview?
Ma'am, this
Not
is
the
a
same
research
person.
methodology class. Ma'am.
Yeah, under research methodology itself, we have different kinds of interviews, types of interviews that we take with the respondents. So what is
We didn't start the interview topic, ma'am.
That is what we are talking now, ma.
Abhi start hua topic. We just started it.
Not started today only. What are the different methods? Sunny, where are you?
Okay, sorry, ma'am.
Okay. So in that interview, first one we did is a direct interview. Second one is structured interview.
The interviewer has a list of questions prepared.
Okay. Here, the only difference is this is again a face-to-face interview. All of these are direct interviews, wherein we have a face-to-face contact. Only difference is here the interviewer already plans in what is the questions that he is going to ask the interviewer, based on which he selects the candidates. Unstructured, Darshit, what would be an unstructured interview?
Ma'am, in these type of interviews, no specific questions or questionnaires or answers or test
So
kind
random,
of things are arranged, ma'am.
so
Random questions are asked during the interview.
Okay. So under an unstructured, I do not have any plans or I don't intend to have anything. Each question, according to the candidate and his profile, according to the job requirements, I interview the candidates. So direct, structured and unstructured interviews. Next is focused interview. As the very name focused itself, it says it has specific purpose. For instance, I want a technical person, so I would focus how much of a knowledge or more importance I would give on how much is the knowledge that he is having in that particular field, and then I would conduct the interviews for all the candidates. Non-directive interviews are one which is not face to face and which is not direct with the candidates. So this can be like in the form of telephonic interview is the most common which we are having it. Now even telephonic interviews, how often now, especially in the COVID situation, etc., we just forward a resume based on the aptitude and the looking into the marks of how the or the experience that the candidate is having. That further, the next step which you take is this, a telephonic interview in which we try to even through a telephonic interview, we just try to find out what is the confidence level, how good is the communication, etc. Clear with all the different types or techniques of interview, students? There is only two major, direct and indirect. Under direct, we have structured, unstructured, and focused interview. Under non-directive, the most common is the telephonic interview itself. Any other types of interview that have recently come up? These are all what we have in our text. Any other kinds of interviews with the recent trends which are being followed? Vaida? Tell her I can't come tomorrow. Tomorrow again you'll have to come, huh?
What, ma'am? Digital interview, ma'am. Something like that.
Digital interview.
Group interview.
Panel interview.
Yeah, group interview, panel interview. You're browsing something.
Yes, ma'am. We had the same topic discussed last week in soft skills class.
I asked what is a recent trend which is followed by most of the corporates for interviewing. Don't you have video interviews? Video calling where they have like through Skype, etc. also where they take interviews. Have you not heard of it?
Ma'am, that's what Lakshit said at the starting, ma'am.
I think I must have missed it. I had students here. Okay. So that was the one which I was referring to, which is the another recent trend which is happening at present. So we'll just send it up with this students today. What is interview and the different techniques of interviews. Next we will continue only in the next week. Anything else that you would like to know?
No, ma'am.
No. Like,
Before ordering all the items, they will have a connection between manufacturers as well as wholesalers. What they do is they will speak you don't have to go to retailers. You give it to me. I'll buy for a price better than the next person who's gonna buy. So what they do, they buy it for a cheap price and they sell it for a price that is lesser than the retailers. So what is happening is we are cutting off retailers. So the consumers, that is, we are getting an offer of 1,000 rupees or something often. So that's the main thing happening in a Diwali sale or any festival sale coming over there. And secondly, how Amazon works is that when a product is ordered by a consumer, the product is taken from the wholesaler or the godown which Amazon has, and it moves to that what ma'am, I forgot the word. Headquarters. Headquarters in the particular area where the godown is there. So it goes there. It will get packed. It will get then it will get shipped from that headquarters and it will go to the regional headquarters where it must be there. For example, now if the headquarters is in Delhi and we order a product from Mumbai, the Delhi headquarters will send the notification to Mumbai headquarters saying that this product they will take the product from Mumbai, they'll pack it and send it to Chennai headquarters where we have requested. So after sending that, it will be checked again, it will be verified and will be sent to us. That's how Amazon works over here. That's all, ma'am.
not bad. At least one of you has prepared for it and come.
With them, ma'am.
No, they do have warehouses. They do have warehouses also. If the manufacturers are really comfortable, then they can get it from them. But they do have terms and conditions. They all adopt both these methods, where they can come and collect. Once the order is done, they themselves come and collect the whatever the products is ordered and deliver it.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, what do you see the future of it?
Ma'am,
How
there is
is
one
it
change I would like to
revenue?
make about the AWS.
What is that, Mehmet?
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
What is
like
that?
when we get the AWS package, like from Amazon, like they don't redirect it themselves. It directly redirects itself from the AWS website itself. So the headquarters only has to monitor like where and what it is happening. They don't redirect it. It is already redirected by the website. They only monitor it.
The business development they will have to work on.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I would like to add a point for the advancement you just asked, ma'am. What are the advancements like the Amazon is trying? So this day, around 2 years ago, when I went to a mall, there was like a setup of Amazon, sir. So they were just showing the preview of the like VR shopping, like the virtual reality. They will give just some glasses, sir. So we have to wear, like we can see the object like in a so very closely, and we can like shop through that. So like they were just trying to market that, like they will like testing it, how it works and all. So that may be the future of it.
Come again,
VR.
Aniket. You went via mall and there was something like?
No, not VR mall. The Express Avenue Mall. In that, they are like trying that VR shopping, virtual reality. They'll give VR glasses to you that is connected to the computer, and in that we can see products lively. That how to explain?
How the
Like
product
how
will look like a 3D
Yeah,
image.
how the product will look, the product's features, the product size, and all. We can like see. It will feel like we are seeing in front of our eyes only, ma'am. The thing is only we cannot just we can't feel that object like or the product. Other things we can do. We can see. We can do everything. We can take a 3D view of it and all.
No, but what way is this going to help? That is what is my question.
Ma'am, I got it, ma'am. It's like for if Amazon says Amazon is selling a thing, no, ma'am. It can offer a virtual reality tour, ma'am.
Okay.
So by fact, we cannot touch the thing, but we can experience the features, ma'am. By this,
Yeah, we can
say
experience
that,
the product.
by this we can increase the sales. Like we can experience the product without having it, ma'am.
This is for the customer's point of view.
No, ma'am. This is a point of view for the sellers only, ma'am. When the customers knows the points, what are the features, no, ma'am, he can automatically increase the sales, ma'am.
See, the customer is already aware of the now. What is the major drawback? What Amazon is faced? Let's cover that first, so that it's easy for us to find out the solution. What is the major drawback? It is not that it is not having sales. It is. What is a major drawback?
Fraudulent activities by customers, ma'am.
Very good. Fraudulent activities by the customers. Okay. Anything else? It's not that they're not having sales. They're definitely having sales, but their policies or conditions, something which is not up to the mark, which is where they are really strongly hit by. Fraudulent activities by the customers. Okay. Then what else?
Refund and replacement policies.
Exact. Okay. I mean that replacement policies. Okay. Now, what are the replacement policies where it gives an assurance it is not able to match with the, like, it has promised something to the customers, so it has got to adhere to keep up its brand, because of which it is running in losses. So how do they improve on this? The major issue is the replacement policy and the returns which it gets. So how is it? If this is solved, at least 60% of it would be running. So how is it that they work on the quality? Where it has only quality customers who do not return me back. And I see that even the consumers or the manufacturers or the sellers who are giving are also the accurate. It's from both the end. What do I have to change? Where do I have to be very strict enough? What policy do I have to change?
Ma'am, if you want to sell, we have to be very strict on the policy of the sellers and as well as the buyers, ma'am. Like for both the point of view.
What can it be?
Like if a buyer buys the product, no, ma'am, we are giving 30 days of assurance, but in the 30 days of assurance, there are some policies, terms and conditions to be applied, ma'am. So if the buyer breaks the phone, for example, if a buyer buys a phone, ma'am, if he breaks it, so and he blames on the seller, so it should be like policy, like if the phone is any problem, you should not 10 days, no, ma'am. It should be functions okay, ma'am. If the phone is just totally broken, you have only 2 days of the policy to return. So something like strictly about the if the features is different, that's another matter, ma'am. If the phone itself is a problem, like the display, the camera, or something, it should be only given 2 days, and because we can open the package in 2 days and we can know what is the problem, ma'am.
Okay.
Defects. This is for the point of view of a customer, but for a seller, no, ma'am, we have to see to that he packs correctly, ma'am. Right? We have to give him strict instructions that if it's a phone, you have to bubble if the box it's in a box. You have to keep the box, check it first if the box is packed or not sealed or everything. Then we have to show him that if it's correctly packed, only we'll pick up it. So sometimes it happens, ma'am, the package is tore and the sticker is not proper or something. So you have to see to that it is not happening, ma'am. Every package is cleared. So most of the time, Amazon get the package is terrible. It is not good.
So they should work on the packaging which is distributed to the customers, at least on that also.
Yes, ma'am. Because sometimes the package is also in place on the sales, ma'am.
I wish I had time so that one of you could at least do a survey, at least of 50 of them, person and what is the drawback that we are facing, so that we could conclude or come to some resolution on what can be done to improve that. So major, what it has to work in this return policies, that it has got to work. Second is this packaging, which is they have got to really work hard, find out some through research only. It is that they would be able to find out how is it that they can so that it's not neither a loss for the customer, it's convenient for the customers also, feasible for the manufacturer. That's Amazon also too. It's a very good platform for purchasing, because the goods are available at just one thing. You can have according to your range, according to your quality, according to your taste, everything is available, and that's one website. And the services, I don't doubt that the services are really very good. These two are the major. Any other issues that they are facing with? These two are the major one, yes, the topmost. Any other issues that Amazon is, the problems that it is facing with? What about the price factor?
No, ma'am, price we cannot say it, ma'am, because price sometimes it depends on the seller, ma'am. So the price we cannot say, but the charges we can say, ma'am, like the delivery charges. Sometimes the product is cheap, ma'am, but the charges are high, delivery charges. So we have to focus on the delivery charges too, no, ma'am. If it's the delivery charges is high and the product is low, for example, ma'am, if the product itself is 150 rupees and you're paying extra 50 to 60 rupees for even the delivery, no, ma'am.
Okay.
Think wise and see to other website. So you have to see that delivery. Okay, you can take charges, ma'am, but not high cost. A reasonable money, like less than 50 or something. People see to that, ma'am.
Valid. Okay. Anyone else apart from Lakshit, Anirudh? Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Okay, bro, but you have to see that this is also a point that where Amazon can focus. So they see that what is the seller doing, how is the seller. This can be a point, ma'am. Like what is saying, like we have to focus on sellers too. What are they doing? What are their choices? Is that really valid?
Hmm. Work on
Ma'am,
the quality, like how I have the work on the quality of the customers, the same should be with the sellers as well.
yes, ma'am. So, but the delivery person is Amazon's, ma'am. So we have to see to that charges are made by Amazon, not the seller, ma'am. This can be a point also.
Well taken. Others, where is Sanskar?
Ma'am, I have a solution for the like return policies.
Yes, ma'am.
Mm.
Hello.
Yes, sir, tell me.
Yeah, so they can add a policy like when you receive a product, like from the starting and the till the beginning while you open the product and till you like see the product, you can record a video of it. So there may be a proof, like we are really like we have really faced this problem. So they can add a policy like this. So the fraudulent activities by customers can be reduced.
Customers can be reduced. Why do you want to reduce customers?
No, ma'am, not reducing customer. The fraudulent activities which are done by customers can be reduced by this, ma'am.
Okay, I get that. Yes.
Yeah.
Where is Chirayu? See, Lakshit, Chirayu is not in the class, but still he is.
Yeah, ma'am.
Hmm?
I'll
Take a
just
roll
make him
call.
up. Yes, ma'am. I'll just take a roll call. So roll number 1, 2, 3,
3 present.
2. Okay, so 2 is up. 4.
4.
Just a moment. Just a moment, guys. So 2. Okay. 5, 6,
6, bro.
7, 8,
7.
9. Yes, 7. Okay. 8. 10.
Lucky 7.
Okay. If I'm calling out, I'll just call out once. Don't repeat the names again. 10, 12,
12.
13, 14, 13.